In less than 10 seconds, you can receive payment just like this: $5.15, $5.96, $5 again and again in less than 10 seconds. Once you've earned money, you can cash it out using PayPal, cryptocurrency, bank transfer, Payoneer, Paytm, RTM Skill, or a gift card. There are just so many different payment options available worldwide. And yes, this is absolutely free. To get started, you don't have to spend any money at all. This is great for people who are just starting out. In a moment, I'll give you a real-life example and show you how to do it in less than 10 seconds, and you can earn $5. There's no selling, referring, affiliate marketing, followers, a website, a video, or anything else fancy. It's just a simple way for people who have never done this before to start making money every day. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to our channels and turn on the notification bell so you know when I post new videos that can help you make money. Now in today's video, I'll show you a website with FiveSquid.com. You can now go to FiveSquid.com, but before you go there and try it out for yourself, I want you to make sure you watch the whole video, because first and foremost, I'll show you a ton of examples, proof, and a unique bonus tip at the end of this video that you won't want to miss in order to ensure that you can truly get paid. Now, basically, users use this website to purchase, sell, and request various services, which are normally priced around $5. Take a look at this as I go down below their entire list of other services that are given by other people. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to make any videos, to create any graphics, and so on. As always, I strive to make it as simple as possible for you and someone on this video. I'll show you a 100% done free strategy that you can apply right away and cash in $5 in less than 10 seconds. People from all over the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Nigeria, the Philippines, India, and Pakistan, are getting paid $5 each time, as you can see here, and the money goes straight into the PayPal account. Even if you don't have a PayPal account, there are many other ways for you to get your money. In fact, I want you to leave a comment below and tell me where you are from. What are your favorite ways to pay in your country? So again, when you go to FiveSquid.com's homepage, you'll click on this button, which will take you to a list of different categories. On this site, we can get paid for things like graphic design, digital marketing, writing music and audio, translating, and so on. Again, you don't need any technical skills, you don't have to make designs or videos, and you don't have to sell anything to anyone. In fact, I'd like to show you something quite remarkable on this website that is a brand new release on this marketplace. There are no other people discussing this. Now, under the other area, you can see here, I want you to click on this special category called Your Message On, and then I want you to click on this link, and from there, that's going to take you to this page on this very special services you can see here, which is called Your Message On. And basically, you can find people from all over the world. For example, this guy, Quasi, is from India, and another man who writes to you is from Nigeria, Russia, Morocco, and the UK. There were several guys from Pakistan as well. You can see Pakistan, and right here we even have people from France and Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. There are so many people from all sorts of different countries. Again, if you see your country on the screen, please leave a comment and let me know. But what's more important is that you can see here that they make $5 every time they do this service, which is Your Message On. Don't worry though, because this is much simpler and easier than you think. At the end of this video, I want to show you a 100% free way to get things done. Don't miss out on that. But quickly, I want to show you one real-world example of this freelancer's work, which is an email list. Now, all you have to do is click on that service, which will bring you to this page. You can see here, I will make Einstein write you 3 messages on Blackboard for £5. Now you can make a lot more than $5 when you change £5 into US dollars. But this platform, which is called FiveSquid, is going to charge you a small fee for processing. But again, you can be sure that you'll keep $5 for every service you do. Now you can pretty much get a sneak peek right there. Basically, they'll help you type in any text you want and ask Einstein if he can help you write it on the Blackboard. And this service is actually very good. There are a lot of people, and some of them will actually buy them. Here you can see that they have different services for $5, $10, or even up to $20. You might be wondering how you can do that. How can I make a dynamic picture like this one where I can put any text I want on the Blackboard? But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly that in this video. So all we have to do is go to this website, headmeal.com, and search for Einstein. Now, if you do that, you can get a picture of Einstein that moves. Here you can see that that's exactly what we need. Now you can look at this image that has already been made for you. You can put your own tags on this picture, as you can see here. You can write whatever you want here, and when you click the Change Image button, it will show up on the picture. For example, they will show you an equation by default. Right, there's a thumbs up there, and this text is right here. So let's just say that I can type in whatever I want, depending on what your customer wants. But just as an example, subscribe to this video, sign up for my channel, and I'll change this right now. Please like this video, and if I want to change the picture, all I have to do is click this button. As you can see, the new picture will appear in less than 10 seconds. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. That's all you have to do to use this 100% done for your app, which is right there on headamil.com. And you can make a data-free photo just like this based on what your customer wants. People are charging real money for this, as you can see. You can just make 3 messages like this and sell them for £5. Now, this freelancer has more than 19 reviews on their profile. This means that at least 19 people have already hired them, which means they're actually in demand. There are people who want this service, and you can do it even if you don't know anything about computers or graphic design. Just go to headamil.com and use this 100% done for you software. You can change the text based on what your clients want, and you can make images just like this one. And when you're done with that, if you're using a PC or computer, you can use the snipping tool. Or if you have a smartphone, you can just take a screenshot. Now, for instance, I can just do a quick screenshot like this and take a screenshot, and that's it. We can save it on your phone, save it on your computer, and send it to your customer. This is how you can make $5 in less than 10 seconds. But here's a quick tip for you as a bonus. In addition to Einstein, you can also use Uncle Sam and Quaker as templates. Now, for instance, if I click on this template right here, it will take me back to this patient. I can change the words here to fit your photos. So you can see right here that I want you, and that will be right there. I want you. And you can change the bottom text to say whatever you want. For example, if I want you to subscribe to my channel, I click the change image button right here. And as you can see, I can change the whole poster with just one click. And so many people want you to change this design to something like this for them, but they don't know that they can do that very easily on this website. But since you guys watch my videos, I will always show you the newest, most cutting-edge strategy that no one else is talking about. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click the like button. But still, I'd like to show you this example, which is called Quaker. When you click on this link right here, you'll be brought to this page. Again, you can change the way this poster looks for your photos. You can see here that there are some very creative and funny messages, and that you can offer all of these services right here on Fiveswid.com. Basically under this category, which is your message on. And there are so many sellers who do different things and make $5 over and over again. So if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click this button up here at the top. That will bring you to this page where you can enter your email address and click continue to sign up for free. As promised at the end of this video, I'll show you another bonus website, which is Fiverr. And once again, this is a very special category. Now, if you search for this keyword, which is Einstein, you'll see that a small group of people are taking advantage of this rising trend right now. You can see here they're selling 1 service, 5 services, 12 services for $5 each, and every single one of that. And as I'll demonstrate, you can do it in less than 10 seconds. In reality, you can snap a screenshot in less than 5 seconds by typing a few phrases and clicking on this button. So if you're still viewing this video right now, you're taking advantage of an early chance. You may simply go to Fiverr.com and then to Fiveswid.com and sell the same services for $5 over and over again. You can see here, for example, that this individual has over 12 reviews, that over 12 clients are giving ratings on this particular service, and that they are liking it. They are eager to pay this freelancer actual money. And guess what? Not every customer will leave a review. Some of them simply bought the service without posting a review. So on this website, this person sold more than 12 services. So you can perform the same thing utilizing 100% done for your solution on headamil.com, and that's how people from all over the world can get paid $5 again and again. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Remember to press the notification button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the following video.